Good morning, everyone. Oh, Jim's with me today, which is great. He's actually picking the loganberries. He doesn't want to be on camera. And they are loganberries, which is brilliant. They're going to go in a cake, which will be on Budget Cooking UK next week. So, yeah, I've just quickly potted on the Brussels sprouts. Not all of them, just how many did I get? 7. I just wanted to make sure, it's quite dark. Well, basically they were very leggy and I needed to you know, plant them on. So I'm going to be doing that to the purple sprouting broccoli, well, all of them eventually, but I kind of wonder where my other pots are. So I'm going to try and fit them on here. I brought my stepladder as well to kind of carry on with the roof repairs. Yeah, they actually fit, so that's quite good. Here, I'm just going to, hairs in my eyes, I'm just going to water with my ingenious. 2 of you mentioned this, it was so handy. And I have done it before, but of course these sort of things you forget. Does the job. The others are wet enough actually. It was quite warm in here. It rained and rained and rained, so nothing at the allotment needs watering. I could do with filling that up, but yeah. So I will get the stepladder and crack on with trying to hammer the specifically the leak that's happening here, because that's where the nail is sticking out and I couldn't quite reach it. So let's crack on with that. See you in a bit. So I've got the stepladder from home. Oh, I need the hammer. Where did I put that hammer? There we go. Jimmy's still collecting the loganberries, which is great. Right, come and have a look with me. Now I've got the stepladder, slightly safer. Slightly on the wonk. We did see a very interesting plane coming up. I hope I caught it, and if I did, you would have seen it at the beginning. That's the one where I think it's leaking. But it really shouldn't leak, apart from the fact that I think it's going through the hole. They're going to struggle. Ooh, jeez, going to struggle reaching those ones there until I kind of sort that area out. I mean, look at it. It's a nightmare, really. Where's all that earth going to go? Because I want to clear it. This is the area I'd like it to be a kind of sort of sitting area, because it will catch the shade when the sun's going around and it's really hot. Let's go to the other side. Oh, get down this ladder. Jeez, oh. Wobble. I see. Sorry about the banging. I'll turn the volume down. Hopefully that helps. It's come apart actually. That'll be echoing across the whole. I wonder if I can probably screw that in. Let's find a better spot. At the front. A bit better. Clear guttering, which is good. Loose there. Unloose there. There's no tears in it. It's in pretty good nick. Yeah. Some on the other end. Right. Sorry for the wobbly camera. Yeah. Well, next time it rains, I'll be at the plot. Oh yeah, look. You can see. Yeah. Oh, that went in a bit. No. Right. I think that's. Got to check. Actually, got to check this side. Not good at my heights. Oh, and I'm kind of sinking into the soil here. Oh yeah, it's good. I'm glad I came up here. As good as it gets. Well, it's looking in good nick though, to be fair. No tears. Right, I'm getting down. Right, while we're here, we're going to look at the paper mache. I mean, it's rained a lot. Honestly, I could have timed it a lot better. But I didn't actually look at the weather forecast. You kind of get into a full sense of security with the weather, with it being so dry in recent months. But it's actually holding up really well. And I'm really pleased. So I'm actually glad that the new PVA's arrived. I might add to this, especially where it's quite like there and there. But it's all forecast for the next quite a few days this coming week. So I'm looking forward to painting. I might do some painting today. Actually get the brush out and paint the front door. The front door? The shed door. See how it goes. I know it's not raining today, supposedly. Yeah. It'd be lovely to see what the colour's like. So let's keep that in mind, and I may well do that. Oh man, I think I've been stung. Oh, I've got itchy arm. Don't know what I did there. Yeah, well, did I reach that nail? Can't even remember. I'll know in the edit, but next time it rains, we'll be double checking. So pretty good. Right. Next job. But you saw it. What is it? What is it? Oh, look at that! Fantastic. Is that all you could get? That's okay, because I've got a lot more in the fridge. Brilliant. Do you want to? I'll give you something to put the tomatoes in. Okay. Hold on. I'll be back. Jimmy's loganberry haul. Very nice. Right. Another little basket. Let's just get this. Oh. Put that somewhere. So the orange tomatoes look like the ones, they've got to be dark orange, you know, not the lighter orange. Thanks you, Jim. I'm just going to sort of put the paint on this door, see what it's going to look like. Yeah. Right, let's open this first. Oh, nice. Right, it's only going to be a little paintbrush because I'm only going to be doing test. But come and have a look. Let's get this out there. There you go. Right, don't want to spill this paint. I'm going to shut this door. Just the first, a few brushes. Just so I can, we can all see together. This is going to be I'm honestly not going to use this size brush. I've got a slightly bigger one, but I do want to see what it looks like on. It's funny, it looks a lot lighter when you actually come to paint it than when it's in the pot. But I suppose it actually could do with mixing, but it's all right. It's lovely, really lovely. I'm just going to put it down. It's looking good though. I just want to see what it looks like. Oh well, I'll move away a bit so we can have a look. Yeah, starting, look at my rash. Don't know if you can see that, but that'll look great when it's done. We have to finish the shed repairs, but it's nice to see the paint go on. Ooh. So let's get the lid back on and clean this brush. Okay, let's try and get this up and over. Oh, oh, oh! Mind your head. God, I'm itching today. Oh my God! Let's lean forward. That'd be better. Right. Jim's just off to, because we're done now. So there's the, I think that's pretty all right actually. It would be lovely when it's covered properly. Oh, I forgot to cut that, do that next time. Jim is starving, as am I, so I think it's home for lunch. I've got to, there's lots of jobs to do tomorrow, it can wait. So yeah, hope you all had a good weekend. Yeah, let's have another quick look at this blue, because as it dries it should be, oh yeah, well, it's going to make the shed look loads nicer. I do need to sort out curtains. I'll probably take all these off and just do a sort of, you know, that kind of net curtain stuff, something that I can pull back easily so people can't see in. It does have an issue with the seedlings, but yeah, look at my lovely. Stay cool, everybody. Jim's done all the seeds. He's just forgotten to put them in there, which is fine. That's good. He's done a good job. So he's done a few jobs for his mum. Yeah. Thanks so much, everybody, for watching. And I'll see you tomorrow. Take care. Bye.